The OMAX 40X-2500X Binocular Microscope delivers a very wide magnification range that comfortably covers everything from basic cell work to more detailed microbiology. Its inclined, fully swiveling binocular head with adjustable eye spacing and diopters makes long observation sessions much easier on the eyes and neck. The combination of wide-field eyepieces and achromatic objectives provides a bright, flat image with good color correction that is well suited for serious study. A sturdy double-layer mechanical stage with precise XY travel and clear scale markings allows you to move slides smoothly and return to points of interest without frustration. The built-in Abbe condenser, iris diaphragm, and adjustable intensity light-emitting diode illumination give you fine control over contrast and brightness for different specimens and staining methods. Solid metal construction, dual-side coarse and fine focus controls, and easy compatibility with digital cameras or dark-field accessories make this microscope feel like a long-term, upgrade-friendly lab tool.